Hard water buildup doesn't stand a chance. Watch stubborn residue break down in seconds with Dawn Aslett Total Tub and Tile Concentrate. This powerful formula creates a thick, clinging foam that sticks where you need it most, lifting away soap scum, grime, and hard water stains. And here's the best part. Just a few ounces makes a full bottle of cleaner. 1 bottle of concentrate makes up to 8 full spray bottles, saving you money while reducing plastic waste and storage space. Use on fiberglass tubs, tile, glass, and porcelain sinks to remove soap scum and buildup. Bring back that just cleaned sparkle with a concentrated formula that makes routine bathroom cleaning feel a whole lot easier. Get more cleaning power, more value, and more shine with Dawn Aslett Total Tub and Tile Concentrate.